don't get no love, I'm here for you. Say no, yeah, no. When it's ready, yeah. You be saying no. When it's ready, yeah.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the video title, I am doing a lingerie as outerwear look. You heard that right. So literally, if you've been living under a rock or not up to the latest fashion styles, lingerie is not only for the bedroom, y'all. It is for outerwear. We can wear it whenever, wherever. And the girlies, yes, they're doing it. So in today's video, I'm gonna style some lingerie outerwear looks. Let me know what we think. Let me know what we're feeling in the comments. And let's get started, y'all. Okay. I got my sizing reference for anyone wants to know. And after every lingerie look, I'm gonna show you how I styled it, baby. So for look one, I wanted to be a mix of sexy / casual. So I styled my red bustier with a hoodie crop top, some jeans, a hat, and some tall boots, just to add a good balance of covered and a little bit of skin showing. Definitely want to jazz it up and give it a sexy vibe. For look two, I went with this sexy teddy from Savage Fenty. It's in a size 1X. Just like the first one, I wanted to do a little bit more sporty, a little more casual, but still very sexy. So I matched it with some army fatigue pants, a black bomber jacket, and a little LA hat. You know what I'm saying? Some hoochie hoops, just to tie the look together, and bam, we have some skin showing. We get some skin covered, all that. We have this super chic black bra. This is from Pretty Little Thing. And for this look, we're going to do something more conservative. I know it's pretty sexy, but I matched it with this sheer top, some leather joggers, some clogs, and a cute little bag, a little shoulder bag. And this is a look that I feel like it's conservative because you can see the lingerie, but also you're pretty much covered. If you don't want to be too out there, I think this is a look for you. It's simple, it's chic, but it's effective. Leg kick, yes. Next look is off this little bralette from Shein. As you can see, there's not too much to this look. It's pretty much just underwire and a little bit of floof. So for this look, I kept it casual, cute, added a jean jacket, some clear heels, and a little beanie. Of course, I got my hoops, and I just wanted to add it on top of the dress for a little like extra pizzazz to the outfit. Not doing too much, but also making it a little cute, a little different, stand out from the crowd, and it's making the girls look cute. They sit in, they eat it, you know? Up next is this sexy slip dress from Fashion Nova. This is in a 1X and it's obviously in black. So I threw this one over a little black dress just to add a little back dress, but 2.0. Something a little sexy, different, has the slit. So, you know, it's adding some more details to the dress. I added to some tall black boots, some thigh highs, and I'm adding a coat. I think this would be so cute for a night out, like going to the bar, going to dinner, maybe going on a date night. Very cute, very chic and stylish. Not doing too much. It's a little black dress 2.0. You know what I'm saying? Yes, walk, work. Yes, I'm modeling for you. Let me see. Look, girl, don't play with that little thigh slim, girl. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that was the video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys loved it. I hope you guys literally followed along, thought, you know, what was cute, what was not cute. Let me know in the comments for sure. Make sure to give me a like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and put that notification bell on so you know what's happening next. Follow me on TikTok. I do a lot of styling videos there. Follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of styling videos on there as well. And of course, you know, some photos and whatnot. All right, I love you guys so much. And until the next video, bye.